truck camper gets an upgrade today. I've been looking at these for a long time. Torklift reached out to me about their FastGuns, and I was like, I've been looking at these since I got my truck camper, so I'm really excited to try them out and install them today. I haven't opened the package yet, so you'll go through the process with me. Oh my gosh, that took me way too long. Put the rod in the hole. All right. I love that the tie downs are spring loaded and they can reduce the stress that's on the anchor points. Yay! These are gonna be so quick to just pop in, pop off, and get my camper off. I'm really excited. They look so much better than those chains, those old rusty chains that I had going on. Super excited about these. Also, I got locks for mine. Another YouTube video about RVers, they said their hitch was stolen and they didn't have it locked up in Mexico, so I just wanted to protect everyone's karma and lock up my FastGuns. For me personally, having the handle instead of the turnbuckles has really been a game changer because the oxidation made them unwieldy, like you just couldn't loosen them anymore. So the handles on the FastGuns have been an absolute game changer. I did have to cut the threaded bolt to fit my truck camper. I used someone's angle grinder to cut and to bevel that threaded bolt. So I would recommend setting an afternoon aside to install these because you might have to cut the threaded bolt a bit to fit your truck camper. Regardless of the install, it was so worth it because now those tie downs just come off so easily and quickly. Taken me a while, but I got my quick disconnects installed and they were easier than I expected them to be. So I'm trying that out. I'm really excited to feel how my truck drives because I just got back from Baja and let me tell you, it was a bumpy ride. The maiden voyage, let's go. So far so good, but I haven't really done a turn yet, so that'll probably be the first. Lipness test? Yeah, lipness test. On the road again. Wow, I felt like significant less sway when I just did that turn. That was awesome. Never felt that before. Had this camper for 3.5, close to 4 years now. Never had a smooth turn. Always feels like you're whoop, on the side, about to tip over. That was crazy. Okay, I can already confidently say these StableLoads are a game changer. You see them right down there? I just went off-roading on the beach and you could tell it was way less bouncy. It was so nice. Man, I really wish I had installed these before Baja. The way this truck drives now is like night and day. I'm so excited about these StableLoads. Yay! Awesome product. And I will say I had to call customer support and they answered immediately, helped me. I got the parts that I was missing in like 2 days. I was shocked. Like, it is you know how customer service is these days. Torklift is a really awesome brand to work with. Thanks, Torklift, for letting me try out your products. I'm super excited about these, and I can't believe that it took me so long to get these installed because they were so easy. You put a couple plates together. I think the biggest part for me was finding a jack to get my truck jacked up so that you could take the weight off of your springs. Right now I'm driving around Bombay Beach. It's an abandoned town. It used to be a thriving place in like the 50s, a little vacation spot, and now it is a ghost town. Not a ghost town. There's a bunch of artists living here. It's kind of having a resurgence, and given that I studied art in school, I really appreciate all of the art on the beaches, and let's see if this person's behind me. And just being around artists, just being in the community, it's been a nice break from traveling right after Baja. It was a good place to get projects like this done and settle into a bit of a routine for a little while. I've been editing videos and making some new friends. There's a lot of nomads that stop through here, so I've gotten to hang out with some people that I have met on the road, like at Schoolie. I'm trying to back up right now, so that's why I'm not looking at you. I'm wrapping this video up here. I just want to say that I think that with both products from Torklift, I was really impressed with the quality of the product. I think if you're getting a truck camper, getting these StableLoads is like a no-brainer. It feels like night and day to not have your camper just swaying in the back. You can feel it when you're turning, you can feel it off-road. I'm really excited about this upgrade, and I'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.